Kamusta ka na?
Eto, nakakahinga pa 3 times a day.
Ayun siya. Si Bukirat.
Ah, it's that you?
Oh, yeah.
Hindi siya masyado maganda pero okay naman.
Oo, hindi nga.
Di ba?
Ganda naman. Ang ganda.
Oo, hindi nga.
Ikaw pala yan?
Naka-veneers.
Ay, naka-veneers ka na, Maria. Oh my God!
Oo, kahit walang kinakain, basta you have a beautiful smile and you have a beautiful smell.
Kami na bunga nga kaspayan natin.
Ah, ikaw pala yung ikaw pala yung sinasabi nila kasi ikaw palagi yung comment dito sa comment section.
Wala akong pake.
Ikaw, hindi ka pala maganda tapos nagpapakahirap sila dito i-mention ka.
At least matalino.
Ayun lang. Ako nag-order pa lang.
Wag mo akong binabas.
Cum laude siya.
Sino?
Sampalin ko mukha mo.
Sino cum laude?
Si Catering.
Hoy,
Tanong mo ako kung ano ako.
ano ka?
Pangit.
Gago.
Tama.
Ano ba?
Summa cum laude with masteral with dedication with below ba E. Di mo kaya yun.
Oh my God,
Graduate
totoo ba?
ako.
Hindi lang ako nagsasabi ng ganyan kasi ayaw ko kayong masaktan kasi bobo ka kayo, di ba?
Pare, anong ginagawa mo ngayon? Like, what's your business right now?
I am a CEO.
CEO of what?
Almoranas Company. I have a lot of branches. Yes,
God.
at I am graduate in nebulizer.
Pag presidente si Duterte, baka nakulong ka na.
Kamusta ka naman, Mare? Taga saan ka ulit?
Taga Leyte ako, Mare.
Actually, si Maring Catering maganda ang boses. At kaya niya mag-remix.
Yes. Ikaw, may talent ka ba?
Ako?
Oo.
Wala, ganda lang.
Saan?
Ay, ganunan pala tayo dito. Ganunan. Sige.
Ay, ano si Mel? Ay, fresh naman ako.
Si Queen Dorian yung nag-una eh.
Hala,
Ano yan?
Ano ka ba?
ang ulo kasi ng katawan mo. Amoy putok.
Ano yan? Dora Plema?
Aray.
Queen Dora. Dora is like, from British.
What is the meaning of Dora?
Dura is like, hindi siya. Dura.
Dura, keta.
Dura.
Yung parang kanta.
Oo.
Dora, ha, rehe, awanabi at tutubi. Ganun ba yun?
Hindi. Pangit
Ano
na.
yun?
Ano siya? Dura, di expuli.
Bagay.
Ba't pangit
Mare.
mo eh, tanga?
Ano ba ang mayroon sa'yo? Ba't hinahanap-hanap ka nila dito?
Ewan ko sa'yo. Tanungin mo si maano mo, lolo mo.
Asan si Inay? Invite niyo si Aling Myrna.
Oo nga.
Kaya nga.
Inir na.
Do you know Aling Myrna?
Myrna?
Yes.
Yung sa CR kapag Myrna ka?
Ay, binabas mo yung nanay namin.
Mama ko din yun. Tinakwi lang ako.
Dapat. Deserve mo.
Oo nga, sorry.
I-add yun na. Ay, baka busy.
Ba't mo kami inusususan? Sino ka ba? Ambon ka lang naman.
Sorry. Nag-attitude ka, hindi ka maganda.
Ay, sorry po.
Totoo, may point talaga. Dapat yung yung ugali
Invite mo kasi Tito Mars para masampal kayong dalawa.
Siya ang baka hindi kasi catering si Fokiret kasi binabagay niya yung pest niya sa ugali niya.
Oo.
Ikaw.
Siya.
Loading. I'm wrong send.
Yeah. Baka yung
Ba't
signal.
na kay Gamari? Huwag ka muna mag-rest and peace. Tumayo ka dyan.
Oo nga. Ewan ko ba dyan?
Ang init kaya pag nakatayo kasi kisame oh.
Gaga, ito.
Ano, para mayaman kayo, Mari. Kasi may parang... Ang ganda ng bahay nyo. Bahay nyo yan?
Sino ba?
Ayan si Foki.
Pakita mo nga, home tour ka.
Huwag, bawal. Nasa boarding house ako, nasa apartment.
Ay, may
Apartment lang yan.
O may kaya nga siya.
Oo, nag-work ka?
Nag-work ako bilang Twitter actor.
Porn star ka. Lady dog porn star?
Maban ka, te. Tumahimik ka.
Okay lang yan. Masanay ka na.
O, ito, kausapin niyo to.
Hi.
Oh, hello my dear.
Hello, baby boy!
Chef, so handsome. Sige, wait. Start match.
Baby boy, kiss me, baby boy!
Where you guys from?
I am from,
Huh?
Haruru.
I'm from Kuwait.
You from the Philippines?
Yes, we're from the
Salamat.
Philippines.
Mahal kita.
Mahal din kita. Fuck me later.
Let's go. I love
Sarap.
you. So,
Charit lang.
Handsome, my dear. Are you single?
you want some roses?
Oh my God! Ay,
Wow.
para kanina. Anong English nun para kanina? Yung tanungin nyo para
Let's
kanina yan.
go.
What is your giving?
Huh?
Where did you give?
You give that.
Oo.
Akala ko cum laude ka, ba't parang hindi ka marunong ng English?
My company. My company.
Akala ko cum laude sa Miss Kittering.
Ang ina mo.
Marunong ako mag-English. Ano lang?
My company. My company.
assorted.
My company.
Company. Where is your
Yeah.
company?
It's online. Online. Poppy's Garden.
Where are you
How
from?
old are you?
New
Russian.
York. New York. New York.
How old are you?
New York.
22. 22.
22.
Ah, young.
Huh?
Meet my friend, Miss Catering. She is a single person that she deserves to be
Yes.
born.
Hello, dear. I'm single, dog.
She deserves roses.
Oh, thank you so
my God.
much. I love you.
You're so sweet. You all
Do you
from,
Oh,
Ano daw?
you guys are from Philippines? All of you guys from Philippines?
Yeah.
That's nice. I want to visit. I want to come. I want to go to Manila.
Philippines is so amazing.
Yeah.
I will
Yes,
visit
very
soon.
nice.
I wanna prove you.
Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Thank you, Ma'am Haira.
Yes, we have
I'm gonna visit very soon.
tourist guide. We have a lot of tourist guide here in the Philippines.
That can
Really?
take advantage of you.
Tourist.
Tourist guide. You have
Tourist.
beaches.
Of course, I'm gonna visit very soon.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go. So what do you guys on TikTok here? What y'all do?
We are doing great.
No, like what type of content? What content do you guys make on here? Are you guys
Content.
streaming? Huh?
Contentan.
You know contentan?
No, I don't know.
You know tarub?
No.
Can I eat your tarub?
Feel ko ano siya, vegan.
What is daru?
Yeah.
Ano yung tarog?
I don't know what that is.
Feel ko ano siya, big.
What is daru? What is daru?
Tarub means lollipop.
What is lollipop? I don't know what lollipop is.
Lollipop.
What is going on here, chat? Chat, what's going on? Oh my God. Vincent, what's up, Vincent? How you doing? I don't know what that is. I never heard of that before.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Everybody
Where are you
know
going?
John, what's
Do you
up?
have, do you have siblings?
Huh?
We have brother.
Do you have siblings?
I have two. One brother, one sister.
Where is your brother?
Oh.
There.
We are threesome siblings.
What the fuck? What the fuck is going on?
Wala bang mas masarap dyan?
Huh? What's this? I don't understand what this means. What this means.
Famous show, 3 million followers.
What this means. I don't know
Are
what
you
this
famous?
Hey, thank you so much for likes. I appreciate you.
Are you famous?
Me famous? No famous. Me no famous.
You
You're
are.
famous.
No, me no famous. You famous, queen. You famous.
No.
Let's go.
No.
Everybody double tap, guys. Yunzi, how are you doing?
I'm boring.
Gian, thank you so much. Can you tell me something like, how do you, like, teach me? I want to learn Tagalog. Is that Tagalog, right?
Tagalog.
Adobo. Adobo.
You're going to tell me bad words.
Adobo.
Fuker, I think Fuker is a bad one. Fuker is a bad one. She's saying the bad words, you know?
No, adobo is delicacies here in the Philippines. Food, it's very nice. Chicken.
You are very judgmental.
Yeah.
No.
You should know the words before you judge us. I'm not saying bad words here.
Yeah. You
No,
need to
because I
leave.
feel like-
Oh my God. Oh, Fuker is crying. You leave. No, go. Leave. She's crying.
I'm gonna leave.
No.
Okay,
You tell me
listen.
I'm bad.
Listen, it was nice to meet you guys, okay?
No, you're not nice. You said I'm bad
Bye-bye.
words.
Bye-bye.
Have a good night. Salamat. Thank
Oo.
Get well soon.